in this Gabion kit, it's a 1 metre by 1 metre 0.5, and these are 4mm, which is an 8 gauge Gabion. In these kits, this is a Helicoil kit, you get the 6 panels for this size, all in this kit. All the relevant helicoils, which are the fixings to join it all together, which we'll show you shortly, plus the bracing hooks, and as you can see they are in the kit here. So let's just open this up. So these are the bracing hooks which go internally to stop the bulging of the walls of the Gabion. So with the 3-inch 4mm Gabion baskets, you get 4mm wire bracing hooks, which are here. These ones are the 39 inches long for this particular basket. The Helicoils are also heavy duty 4mm, and you get the lengths dependent for your particular Gabion basket. The important thing here is, if you come closer and have a look, for each mesh aperture you'll get 3 spirals, which means that extra strength once joined. So joining panels together for a 4mm Gabion basket, this would be the same for 3mm. It's just the 2 panels, and we use these Helicoil fixings, which all you do is you wind them round the mesh, and if you come closer you can see that it's going through there like that. So just keep going through there and till the end. Okay, so that's a join done on one side, so you then essentially got a nice join like that. Now if we could put another one on there, and we've got a smaller helicoil. Which would go on here. So same process, just wind it in. And then we would do that one as well, and the other sides. So in the kit you get these bracing hooks, different sizes depending on which basket. These ones are to stop the bracing going this direction, stop the bulging going that direction. So they just go in and fix. On this one it's a metre, so you've got 4 of them, so it's 1/3 and 2/3 high. Also available is this bracing wire in a coil. It's a 10 metre coil, and this wire could be cut, tied around these bits and these panels to stop any movement that way. So this is done when you're filling with the stone, when you're placing the stone in the basket. Once the basket is built, you would then fill this stone and put these bracing hooks in there, and then you would just seal the lid. Now, same sort of process, just putting the helicoils in. So these helicoils and this helicoil would actually, or could actually be used to join the next basket. So if you can imagine another baskets here, there'd be 3/4 wires, mesh panels, rather than 2. You could just go ahead and tie them like this. This is a standalone one as an example, but there's room in these helicoils to use 1 helicoil to join 2 baskets. It will give you spare helicoils at the end of the day, which you can use, and you would finish that side off too, to finish the basket.